Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how you can fix while connecting your iPhone with PC and did not showing up in File Explorer or in iTunes and you want to transfer your data on your PC. So let's get started. Go to Start menu and search for Device Manager. What you have to do first, go to your PC username and right click on this and scan for hardware changes. This will refresh your all drivers. After scanning your drivers, go to Universal Serial Bus Controller and then you have to uninstall your USB drivers one by one. After successfully uninstalling your USB driver, you have to again scan for hardware changes, and I prefer to give a restart to your computer. This will also refresh all the drivers. Now, after restarting PC, I'm going to connect my iPhone. So here is my iPhone. Look, it's working. Wait for your iPhone because I have 512 GB, so it take a little bit of time to sync. If this not work, I prefer to give a restart to your computer, then it will definitely work. If you found this video helpful, like this video and write me in comments and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.